Right, so we boxed in bath panel in, yeah? So this is getting tiled in. Easiest way to put your piece of timber on it. Right up to bath, yeah? Mark it. See that line there? That's the actual 700 line, so that would have been wrong, yeah? So we're on this inside line. Across, same again. See that? That's the next shot. 7. And that come across. Because the boards, baths are never, this is never flat and never exact, yeah? So now we know we've got that line. Now we know we've got that line. 25mm in, yeah? Boom. 25mm in, I'm doing it 25mm in because I'm going to use a 10mm jacker board underneath this bath. And then we've got 15mm for towel, yeah? 25mm in. Give it, take it. Cat's nuts. Yeah. Then level. Smaller. Then all we do, get the level, yeah, chisel. Yeah. So level all the way down. Happy hour now, you know what I mean, lads? Happy hour. Ooh. Right, level chevel. That way. Boom. Piece of timber there. Piece of timber there. One end, other end, screw it down. Batten up the wall. Bang on your line. Batten, boom, to there, batten, boom. Job's a good one. Click them pipes to that batten. Beautiful, job in town. So I've got my clips on there, my bath, that's solid. Because at some point or another, chances are you're going to have to swap this tap, yeah? It's all tiled in. Underneath this part here, the wooden braces come to there, they stop there. So what we want to do is, we need piece of timber to there, to there. You want that piece of timber in there, and then that going to slot at the back of there to go up onto this panel to brace it, and then we're going to put a panel from there to there, there to there. Then it's going to be sat on some 3x2, but I'm going to rip that down there. Slightly, I'm going to take 20mm off it, so it keep it off the edge of the bath, so when the bath's fold up, that is not expanding, just too tight onto that, do you know what I mean? So we'll do that, pull that in, pull that on, then we've got a frame straight across there, that's supported, this centrepiece is supported, and when we need to come and change this, you'll be able to just cut, square that in front of it, take it off, do whatever you need, put it back, bish bash bosh, don't get like Sheriff Fuller.
But you won't ever need to come back and change it, will you?
No, you won't. You can see, it's looking beautiful that. So we've got a batten across there, and then what I've had to do is build a separate batten to go underneath to support the bath. On this side here, same again, see that? You want that supporting underneath. So what I've done on this one is I've cut out there, then that void part can go straight up, but before you put it up, flat bead of silicone, squash it up, it'll stop it from squeaking, you know what I mean? Then, we just get it up, and make it tailor-made, do you know what I mean? Woo. Nice. That's it. Get it up. See how the silicone is squashed out above it? That means when we screw this in, all this side of the bath's supported. So when people getting in and out of it, it's not going to move. And it's going to be like a job in town, innit lads? Job in town. Let's smash it. clean up, go pick kids up now. Fish back wash. Don't forget to like, share and follow. And that's it, my panel's done. So when you're building a panel like this, what you got to remember is, see there, at the back, I've given it more room. There's about 15mm gaps. Chamfered me, I can get my finger at the back of it. Get my finger at the back of it. Finger at the back of it. All the way down. Because this bath, you want expansion on it. And it needs expansion. This part here, this comes out a little bit too far, this. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to cut the board around it. And we're going to have to put a tile over it. We'll cut the board around it. And we'll put some tanking kit on it. To get it in. Otherwise it's just not going to do it. It's a good design. But if you haven't got a lip like this, lad, don't bother. You know what I mean? Because this lip is a big lip. Otherwise it's just not going to fit. You know what I mean? So you turn it on and off. Hot, cold. It's a good idea. Don't forget to like, share and follow. Fish back ball. And then this is critical. See that silicone? Silicone it in. Never put it on front of his baton, you know what I mean? Want clean hands for the bath. Now what we're doing is filling the bath up. Filling the bath up. Silicone along back of it. This is vital. Never mind your class seal. That's it. That's what we're looking for. Class seal. Anybody use your class seal, just kick them out of the house. Because they don't know what they're doing. They're putting another 4th layer on your wall instead of that's it. You know what I mean? Now once we tile that, we'll silicone it again so it's been double silicone. The wall penetrated, this penetrated the shower tray. It is what it is, you know what I mean? This is what you call. This is one of the hardest bathrooms I've ever done. But it's like a job in town, isn't it? Do you know what I mean, lad? It's as easy as that. Work speaks for itself. That tray's solid, these walls are solid, bath solid, frame solid. Everything is solid. 1.5 inches out. We're just good.